Okay, so this is the KWA Mark IV Professional Training Pistol, and first off on the box it says engineered to outperform, and let's just open it right up. First it comes with the gun, obviously. It comes with a 15 round mag, single stack, and then a little bag of BBs you shouldn't use, pop-up adjustment tool, another little tool right here, and some silicone. And let's put the box off to the side. Alright, so here's the mag. It's all metal and it holds 15 rounds. Gas goes in right there. Now for the gun itself, put the mag in. This is the mag release. We've got the beaver tail grip safety, the safety right here, but I can't push it up right now. This is what it looks like when the slide is pulled back. It says Mark IV Professional Training Pistol. Here's the serial code and US, manufactured in Taiwan. KWA caliber 6.0. And overall it's pretty nice. It's full metal, and let's get right to the shooting. We'll be shooting from a distance of 50 feet to 2 small wood block targets, and we'll see how this thing does. So overall, this is a very accurate gun from 50 feet. I would recommend this because it's a really good gun and it's made by KWA, which is a great manufacturer for airsoft guns. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later.